I don't have a problem with him telling me straight up, like, what is going to happen, because then I can come here and tell you guys what's going to happen, and then guess what? That's what's happening. But like at a certain point, it has to change. You have to be flexible as a coach, especially come playoff time. And that's what I'm holding on to is we've seen under Monty a coach that stood on his business as far as these are my guys. These are guys that got to prove it to me, and they're not going to really get a chance to do so. And that hurt them in the playoffs at times.
And it was part of the downfall of Monty Williams to an extent,
and
too.
when a coach is digging in like that and possibly not playing a guy in garbage time, this is just speculation on my part, but possibly not playing a guy in garbage time just to be true to what he said, then you got a situation where a coach is digging in and starting to get a little bit defensive. And that's what worries me, because you have to be willing to admit that, okay, I got to try something else, or that was wrong, or I should have played this guy sooner.